Hey guys, I just had someone request, can you make a little video just showing me exactly what you do every day to promote Live Good as a member and an affiliate? And how the heck did I sign up 411 people, all right, over the last year or two? I just keep it simple. Okay, I think at the end of the video, you'll probably go, gosh, that does look pretty darn cool. I think I can do that. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay. Guys, I bought this business card here, okay? You can see it. It's right there in the middle of your screen, okay? I went to Vistaprint. They're about 18 bucks for a big old box and $5 shipping. So for like 23 bucks, this is the card I chose, and they have a million templates. I rounded the corners for like 25 cents. I just picked this template red because I like how the white font jumps off the card. And do you notice that I just specialize where the domain is the main focus? Not my phone number, email, and all this other garbage. I want people to look at joincory.com and go, wow, I can't miss that, because I want people to go and click this. So please click it right now, and I'm going to show you the Live Good capture page, which you're going to use as well. I want you to copy me, okay? So I went to GoDaddy, and I bought joincory.com because it was open. Way back in the day, I've had this for quite a while, but they're about 11 bucks, okay? $11.99 out the door is about the going rate for a brand new domain. Okay, and you don't have to have any hosting or website. Okay, you can just call GoDaddy and say, hey, will you forward it to this link? And I'm going to show you what that is in just a second. Okay, so business cards, 23 bucks. Domain name, 11 bucks and 99 cents. Join Live Good. Okay, join Live Good. And you can do it for $49.95. So if you have 100 bucks right now, spend the 50 to just join as a member and affiliate. Spend 20 bucks on the business cards, 11, 12 bucks on the domain. So for less than 100 bucks, guys, you've got one hell of a business online. Okay? Now, if you're going to go to the joincory.com, let me just show you what it looks like real quick, okay? This is the link that I told GoDaddy just to forward it to. Okay? You're going to have this exact page, and do you see at the very middle it says Cory's website there? See my name? You can put whatever you want there. But you're going to have the exact page with the guy and the couple running on the beach. The main focus of this page is people, they want to watch this YouTube video smack dab in the middle. Okay. Now, if people want more information or they want to join Live Good, they're going to put their name and email address right here and click this orange rectangle button. Okay. So if you want to open your email up, you're going to get an email, obviously, from Live Good. Just read the email. You'll get more information. Or, of course, you can just join. Click the button, get your name, your username, password. If you want to use a credit card or a debit card to set up, whatever you want to set up, it's up to you. Okay, we do accept even cryptocurrency. Okay, now, look in the center of your screen now. You can't miss the Live Good website. Okay, I definitely want you to look at all of our products. Just go to the tab that says products. It's going to be right here. Guys, we got a lot of great products. And if you want any more information, just hit these little white rectangle boxes, okay? But just scroll. We have package deals, save you some money. We even have shirts and hats and some other cool stuff right at the very bottom, as you can see here, okay? Now, I also want you to hit the FAQ, okay? It's right here. See on the left of your screen? Hit the FAQ button, because obviously there's a lot of frequently asked questions, and they're answered right here. All you got to do is just click any one of these, and boom, the answer will pop right up on your screen. Now, one of the biggest questions I get is, okay, I heard Live Good, you don't have to buy products to be an affiliate to earn money, and that's true. That's why we're so successful. Okay, we're a membership website. We commission the membership side. All right, buy the products only if you want. And if you want to get them cheap, be a member at $9.95 a month. But if you want to learn about how we pay, and we have 7 ways we get paid, guys. Do you see here? It says pay plan. Go to the bottom of your cell phone or laptop or home computer. It's either going to say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. I want you to click it. And then on the page, there's 7 ways we get paid. I think it's kind of boring and more hard to understand the pay plan if you just sit and read the pages here. Go to the bottom and you're going to see a cool little YouTube video. And there's that pretty girl. All right, say hello to her and then hit the play button. Just watch. The comp plan's easy, and if you don't understand it, just watch it 2 or 3 times. But if you join as an affiliate, please don't try to explain the products and the opportunity in the pay plan. invite people, do exactly what I do. Please, it works. I got 400 and something people. I'm going to have 500 by summer. Please copy what I do. Doesn't that sound funny? Because most people are like, don't copy. Well, in this case, I want you to. There's no competition. There's plenty of money to be made. There's plenty of people looking for our products. We only have 2 million people joined right now. All right, we're going to be on par with 5 to 10 million people. All right, now is the time to join LiveGood. We're all over the world. China, over to Africa. We're above in Canada, down below in Mexico. We're all over the UK. Guys, we're a worldwide company. Okay, 200 countries. So this is what I do, is exactly what I just showed you. I get a little business card. I hand it out now and then on a street level. I do not talk about LiveGood, because if I do, you're going to forget everything. Plus, you're going to think that if you join, you're going to have to do the same thing and blab and talk about LiveGood all day. And you don't. People want to watch video. People could care less about talking in person. They don't want to talk on the phone. Trust me. I'm really good at this. I'm not shy. I think I've only had a handful of calls in the last month or two because people just want to watch video about LiveGood. That way, if they don't want to do it, they're just on their way. That's why I hand out a business card like this. I got a domain with my name in it because I want people to know me more than even LiveGood. Okay? Even my email is Cory@CoryDraper.com. If you go to CoryDraper.com, guess what? LiveGood opportunities right there. Just click the link. All right? You go to my Facebook page. Guess what it's called? Cory Draper. I use my personal Facebook page to promote LiveGood. I mix it all together because I'm more real. The more I show you my hobbies, maybe I bought a Kiss album or some Hot Wheels or maybe a Farrah Fawcett Barbie, okay, from the 70s, from the famous poster. But the more real I am and the more hopefully relatable or hopefully likable I am, the more successful. People want to join people, okay? They're not looking just to join LiveGood and, it's kind of mechanical. It's kind of just like a static menu, like you go to a restaurant, all right? They want to know, is there community? Is there things out there? I guess you can Google search. You can go to YouTube and look for videos and review. But I think it's also nice to join someone that's going somewhere. Okay? I don't let anyone down on my downline. All right? I just know for a fact I don't. All right? It's my priority to make darn sure that you sign up properly, you get my email, and there's plenty of support. Support at LiveGood alone will wipe out 75, if not 100% of all your questions about just LiveGood in general. Products, credit card, cryptocurrency. Is there, a return? You got 30 days or 90 days, 3 months just to get your money back. Even if you use up all our products and just send one of see the little containers on my mini fridge there. All right. Everything's done by LiveGood. All you got to get real good at is just the marketing part. And that's inviting people. In my case, just click a link to watch a video. I'm going to help you do that until you just start smiling, going, God, this isn't as hard as I think it is. Because I'm thinking, okay, technology and marketing, and I got to take courses and have these algorithms with diaphragms and pamphlets mixed with technology. And then I got to do like live Zoom meetings all the time and all this other stuff. Okay. In my experience over the last 2 years, the more simple I have made my business, the more successful. Okay. Please copy what I do. I want you to join me. I want to send you a nice little email and I'll show you what I do. That's it. There's no charge. All right. It's good enough. All right. I make a couple bucks if you sign up in my group right now. That's plenty. It's like you bought me breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Okay. All right, guys. Joincory.com. You can probably remember that's the link that I want you to click. Please watch that little video and then fill out your name and email and then open up your email, the LiveGood email, and let's get you aboard. All right. You got $49.95. I bet you do. Okay. That's it, guys. Joincory.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. Please, please. And that's it. My work is done. All right. All in less than 10 minutes, which is usually a miracle. I'm usually Mr. 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, guys. Thanks again for your time. All right. Live good, feel good. We'll see you next video. Bye, guys.